crowd. Beautiful sunsets are back to Amed, and looking forward for people who's sitting on a beach and looking at these sunsets simply because it's beautiful. Martins listens exclusively from Amed. Hello Grace. Hello. Hello. If you're living in Bali, ceremonies is part of everyday life, and it's absolutely normal. We have different ceremonies almost every single day. We have ceremonies for all the metal, let's say if you have a car, motorbike, spoons, forks, there's ceremonies for all of them. There is a special day. I don't remember really when it was but I think it was kind of in June, when there is a ceremonies for this particular things. There's ceremonies for every single situation in your life, and that's why this island is special. That's why it's standing out of everything, like I told you yesterday in yesterday's episode. If you didn't see the yesterday's episode, it was really cool, and just go one episode back and check it out. That was another peaceful and nice day here in Amed. Looking forward for more busy days. So what we did today, we tried Signmount. Mahida tried Signmount. I didn't really understand until the end she liked it or not, but looks like she liked it. I understood that one thing what she really likes is that horizontal position, that it's so easy to be in a horizontal position. Tomorrow we'll see. I will try to go around and a little bit film ceremonies as much it will be possible, because I don't wanna be this, you know, that annoy paparazzi who's going in and filming everything. Maybe I will take a part in some ceremony. Today is the ceremony of the boat. Vajan is doing last preparations. Like that. Nowhere else in the world I've seen that beautiful traditions as here. Like simply a boat, and the people do praying all together, all the family. So this offering is for the ocean. So that means that all the fishermen can go into the sea and safely fish and come back, so nothing happens. Then there is a blessing for the boat. That boat is safe, providing fishermen with all the safety needed. Dog's trying to steal the chicken from the offering. Fight, 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 fight. It's there we go! Oh! Bon voyage! Beautiful day for launching the boat. All right, thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, follow, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.